welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, in case you might have guessed. And today we will be sorry. Whew, whew, I had a tickle in my nose that I was going to sneeze. Sorry, excuse me. Today I actually got in the mail my Allure beauty box. I just ordered it and they just said they were sending the box. They didn't say what was in it or anything. I actually got 2 of them at the same time in the mail. So of course, you know, I opened them like, what is this that they sent me? And actually I'm really happy because I was worried when I signed up because of like Ipsy and things like that, if I would have to make a big deal about getting my things from them. When you sign up for 1 year with the Allure beauty box subscription, it's valued at $23 a month. I do believe it's a little bit cheaper if you buy it by the year, but they give you 2 free gifts for joining, whether you buy the 1 year or not. Or if you buy 1 year, they give you a free mega bundle, which is what I have here to open for you today. And I will be putting a separate video to open my other Allure box. If in the future you all would rather I do 2 unboxes in one video, go ahead and comment down below and let me know about that. And I will for sure do that next time if that's what you all prefer. Literally, this box, I couldn't close it. And I tried strategically placing things afterwards. They send you a lot of free stuff for joining for 1 year. This is really cool. So right on top, there's a little bag. And it says Live, Love, Layer is what it says. That threw me off because usually it's live, laugh, love or something like that. Anyways, so, this is cool. In the little bag, it comes with this. Just for you. Giorgiani? I'm not really sure how you say this brand. And then it has a little pamphlet. This is the word I was trying to say. Giorgiani? I'm not really sure. But it looks like it's a little pamphlet to this jewelry. They sent a little necklace. How nice is that? So that's cool. I got a little necklace in here. I'm not really sure if I'll use it or pass it off to my daughter, but either way, this is really neat. I have a Cabral Mini Rich Buildable Color. It doesn't really say what actual color it is. Maybe it's just like customizable. So it says buildable, so you can make it really into whatever color is best for you. But that is really cool because I'm definitely just now starting to get into brow products. Recently, when I started doing these videos is when I started really working with it. So I'm not really the best at the brows yet, but it's definitely something that I'm interested in and trying to work more towards getting better at. So that is really neat. Let's open this up and see. Oh, wow. Okay, so it does look like a little brown. It almost, to me, it looks like a little eyeliner, like a liquid eyeliner that you would get. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, cool. So it's like a little paste, and then there's a little brush that pulls out of the top. How cute is that? That is so cute. And you know what, everyone? I just want to stop and say real quick, like, I know I've got a lot of stuff going on right now, but I have to keep doing this. This stuff just makes me so happy, and it turns my mood around, and it helps me get through whatever I'm going through. So it's awesome. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and it's in 0. Let's see what that is. Okay, so it's like a black, but more like a, I don't know, a grayish black color, I would say. It's hard to really tell in there. It's not like a black, but I still like it, and it seems to glide on really easily on my skin, so definitely excited about that. Thrive Cosmetics. I was actually out to eat with my friend the other day, and she was telling me about Thrive Cosmetics. And the thing is, I thought it was so funny because I used to use the Thrive, like, pre-workouts and vitamins and the shakes and all that stuff. So whenever I heard of Thrive makeup, I was like, Thrive has makeup? But it's 2 completely different companies. This looks like a lip liner in shade Mocha. Okay, so right there is the shade. And to me, here, I'll put it a few more times so you can see it a little bit better. I don't know how often I wear like nude lips, but I'm sure definitely I will be getting a nude lip somewhere. And I could put that with whatever new colors that I get. And I'm sure that will work out fine. Tart. I love Tarte. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick. And it says it's in shade Crushin'. So let's get that open here. Wow, that's cool. I don't know if you can all see, it almost looks like a marbled blue. It looks really pretty. This is a really big size lipstick. Maybe because I've been dealing with the little minis this past week, it just seems bigger and it's actually normal size. But that is what that looks like. Let's just see the color on that. Right there. So that's neat. Let's see what else we got. This I'm really excited about because actually I really like Purlisse products. And I was interested in trying their new watermelon line that they have, but it's too pricey for me. Like, we're on a budget right now, so it's really cool. They sent one full-size Purlisse, and it's watermelon, the one I wanted to try. How did they know? Watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. And in my opinion, you can never have too many of these because these are something you could just put in the cabinet and use it whenever you need to. Like, I have extra cleansers and body washes. I admit I had a problem with them for a while. My husband wasn't too happy about it. But I have less in my collection, and this will be really good to add to it. So I'm excited. The next is another Tarte. And this is the Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I wonder why it's a smart mascara. To do some research on that. Whoa, it's like a bamboo tube, and it says gifted on there. Oh wow, and it's smooth like I love bamboo. I told my husband that I wanted bamboo floors, and he says it's too expensive, but that's my goal. One day I'm gonna have bamboo floors. A standard applicator, but honestly, like, my favorite mascara to date is the Big Ego mascara from Tarte. So I have never tried this in particular Amazonian Clay mascara, but I'm really excited to try it because Tarte is just a good brand in general. Alright, moving on to the next thing, in Anastasia Beverly Hills, a clear brow gel. And yet again, I'm a huge fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills anyways, but something else to add to my brow collection to get me better at brows. So it is really small, and I'm not really sure, like I said, I am still getting down the whole brow thing. So I am going to be watching videos and learning how to do this, but I'm excited. And then they actually had this I'm doing on BoxyCharm last month. The Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer, Priming Moisturizer for all skin types. So there's that. And wow, I think, yep, one of my favorite YouTubers said that this is a really good product. It's just that they were allergic to coconut, and it has coconut in it, and I actually love coconut. I'm wondering if it smells at all like coconut. Let me see. Okay, double seal for your protection. That's always nice. It looks like a peachy color almost, and it well, I don't really smell it, but it feels really moisturizing, like it definitely could have like coconut oil in it or something. So there's that. And then also Allure Mercier Paris, New York Translucent Setting Powder. And I know this might sound really funny, like I've never used translucent setting powder. And I'm really excited to use it. I've been waiting for someone to send it to me so that I can at least try it to see if it's really worth it, or is it just an unnecessary step. That's what I've always wondered. So I'm going to be able to try that out and find out. And then I got a cute little bar of soap here. Oh, okay. It's a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar from the famous Black Shop. Doesn't really smell like anything through the packaging, but That's really fun. I always like trying new soaps. And especially if they sound as good for you as like deep sea mask. Like, oh, that sound, sea mud. And then last but certainly not least, for just joining for the 1-year membership, I have also got the new Tropical Sea. And I think it's a serum. It says it's fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines, smooths, brightens, and it's an antioxidant. It says we make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet. Use the best in nature and science. Sweet. I'm all for that. Oh, yeah. So I've never used a bunch of this stuff. I don't think any of this stuff in here. If any of you guys have used any of this, be sure to comment down below and let me know if you liked it, didn't like it, thoughts. Oh, is it a powder? What? Oh, okay. It says shake 2/3, 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer serum or mix with water to apply to clean, dry skin daily. That totally threw me off. It looked like baby powder coming out. That is neat. A little strange, but neat. So I am excited about that. That is so neat. So that's everything I got for my Allure Mega Bundle for just signing up for the 1 year. I got all these things, and then let's just do a quick recap of everything. So we got the Purifying Watermelon Cleanser. We got the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. Okay, we got the new Tropical Sea Powder. We got a bar of soap. We got Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Tart Amazonian Clay Mascara. Cabral Brow Pigment. Urban Decay 24/7 Liner. Thrive Lip Liner. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Gel. And a Tart lipstick. That is a haul. They aren't lying about a mega bundle, and I'm happy with this, and I have just started with Allure, and I am so happy with them that I didn't have to deal with no BS. I actually just got my Ipsy bag in the mail from May in June. So I was going to open that today. However, I'm trying to avoid unnecessary stress right now, and when I think or deal with anything with Ipsy, it just seems to cause stress for me. Has anyone else had problems with this? Comment down below. Also, do you have Allure? Do you like Allure? Are you interested in this box? Be sure to let me know that also. And I will be posting the monthly boxes separately. This is the one I'm just going to post for right now, and I will be doing an unboxing later on today or tomorrow. But for now, this is going to be it for the 2 videos for today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin.